Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I'm featuring the Sweetest Thing stamp set and the Jar of Sweet framelit dies. Now, if you wanted to purchase this together as a bundle, you'll receive 10% off. So that is $61 in Canada. This is on page 15 on the Occasions catalog. So I am inking up my sentiment here, just selectively inking up with Melon Mambo, and I'm stamping down on the little Whisper White piece here. It's a little strip, and I'm going to flag the ends. Now, if you don't have this bundle and don't plan on purchasing it, you can try to find a sentiment that works well with this card design in your own stash. Okay, that being said, here I have the little extra paper, little strip of paper, and that comes from the How Sweet It Is Designer Series paper. It's so colorful, so birthday-esque. I love it. So I've adhered the two pieces together with my favorite adhesive. Now I have my little jar here. Everybody gets a jar. It has been die cut out of the How Sweet It Is Designer Series paper. So I didn't stamp this, I just die cut it out. So I put some dimensionals on the back, and then I have adhered it to a scalloped circle. So cute. So now I have my favorite adhesive, and I'm just going to stick the two papers together, the How Sweet It Is Designer Series paper, and this happens to be a gorgeous grape square. I'm putting adhesive on the back of it, but I won't get to it right away. So now I have the other part of that stamp, the sentiment stamp. It says make it a, and I have just selectively inked it. I basically was too lazy to put a mask on it, so I just selectively inked it. All right, so I put all of the jar and the sentiment banner and everything on my squares and adhered everything down with my favorite adhesive, folded it with my bone folder. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the card kit this month. So cute. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.